da ist er.
What took you? We're smoking Ryder.
They shook on us.
Fuck it, let's get out of here.
So, jetzt müssen wir ihn beschützen. Das wird natürlich wieder ganz lustig.
This is the Los Santos Police Department. Stay where you are.
CJ, that chopper's all over us. Hit it! CJ, jump on that helicopter.
This is Buzzard 1. We are taking ground fire.
Was sollen wir machen?
CJ, that chopper's all over us. Hit it! Come on, CJ, let's go.
Buzzard 1 is going down.
Was ist Elfert? Was hat er denn? Können wir nicht noch bullen? Oder haben wir die abgehängt? Jetzt Kim.
Oh shit, what now?
It's Smoking Ryder.
Get in!
Hit the gas. Hey man, I'm running low.
I got a K here.
Just fucking antique.
Chill, well.
So, also wieder Verfolgungsjagd.
You got it on image? Shit.
CJ, cover the rear! Man, they got smoke. See that?
Yeah, that was close.
Man, it's getting intense. It's getting worse
There's
out
Vic.
here. It's like World War VIII. Hey, CJ, watch to the left.
Your left or my left?
Hell, I don't know. Just shoot everybody, motherfucker.
4 bangers in blue four-door heading back into South Central.
Trouble up ahead. Call, they all over our heads.
Was, wo denn? Ach, da.
CJ, watch our right.
So sexy. Radio Los Santos.
Radio Los Santos is Julio G. I'm gonna tell
Okay.
you something else I'm hearing off the street.
Need some good donuts. Let's roll. I front, CJ.
Hear that? Get that shit on my street. That's what I want to say. Make sure you get the right bad guy on me. Don't mess with me, cause I'm
Surprise, homeboy.
Holy shit. Look at that.
Now we
Denn
better
der
stay
hier?
home and watch the fucking game. Car behind us! Behind us! Put up the windows! Smoke, what the fuck are you doing?
Damn it, Smoke. I got stuff in my eye. Smoke, you're insane.
I like things clean.
I was thinking about y'all, so I'm gonna play it again for all of y'all.
Hey, CJ, watch to the left.
Hey, ain't
Was
we been
links?
here before?
Wo?
I'm taking what options I have, all right? Maybe if you have a nice word with the officers, they'll let us on our way. Heads up, brother. Hey, man, some idiot hanging off the back of the car. Somebody shoot him. Oh, shit. All I got in my rear view is bad guys. CJ, cover the rear.
Ja, was ist denn das für Musik da?
Oh, shit. Roadblock up ahead.
The car's jammed.
Fuck it, I'm going through. CJ, we got to get a bird up here.
This is LSPD. Do not. Hey, what the fuck? Too low. You'll kill us all.
Back up, Smoke, back up. Hell no, I'm going through. Oh, man, we gonna die.
Oh, shit.
Slow down, Smoke, slow down. Oh, shit, the brakes is out.
Das Auto ist allein. Oder sind die alle ausgesprungen?
Shit, that's gonna be a hell of a story to tell when we pass in the blunt. Damn, that was some serious shit. Woo. Fuck this. We gotta get out of here. Ryder's right. Everybody split up. We'll meet up later.
Ja, das war doch mal ein heißer Ritt. Ich höre schon wieder einen Helikopter. Wir machen uns jetzt mal aus dem Weg, aus dem Staub da. Oh na, sind schon wieder da. So, außenrum. Da sind sie.
Get some, chump.
Wir sind aber auch im falschen Gebiet.
You can't be no.
So, machen wir kurz einen Prozess.
Now this is gonna crack you up.
So, jetzt wäre ein fahrbarer Untersatz nicht schlecht. Vielleicht keine Polizisten. So, da haben wir einen Krankenwagen. Nehmen wir den hier. So, wir möchten zurück ins Lager. Wir wollen nämlich speichern. Deswegen müssen wir in die Richtung. Und wir fahren schon wieder durchs feindliche Gebiet. Da müssen wir dann demnächst mehr einnehmen, dass das weniger wird. Denn wir werden da von allen Seiten beschossen, wenn wir da durchfahren. So, einmal ums Eck noch. Was der da eine?
Screw off.
Was, oder?
I try to be a good person.
Was ist denn das hier noch?
You still got a problem with me?
So, alles ruhig. Okay, speichern.